Again, now my case now. Akamu case now where she be. She don't know say me I be trenches. When I start this Ajabo life now, which time when money enter our hand, ngari me in your job. Hey!
I'm sorry.
Mama, sorry.
You said why you not tell me as soon as I enter house, say now waiting she tell you. Eh? Why you not tell me say she counter my order? Eh? Share her like the rag where she be.
Mama, sorry, I beg.
Sorry, Mama.
Calm down.
Mama, Biko, Osuko.
Ibiam so now, my tag down. Now you cause all this insult. Now you cause all this insult for this house. You go carry Delilah, bring for house. She wants shave your head, shave everybody's head, join.
Mama, please, I'm begging you, it's enough. It's okay, Biko.
If you touch me, Ezioku, I